unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Clicking noises in your toaster usually mean the heating element or thermostat is faulty. If your toaster is old or repairs are expensive, replacing it is safer and more efficient. But for newer models, a simple repair can save money. Always compare repair costs with replacement and think about energy savings from newer toasters.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.